I am Juanita, and I'm from Newberry, and I want to be remembered for being a good mother, grandmother, and great-grandmother. One of the lessons I've learned in life is always be polite, respectful, and happy, and smile. My wishes and hopes for future generations are that they help others and be courteous and helpful. A story I want my loved ones to hear and remember is, your grandfather and I loved you all very much and want the very best for you and your life. We met at Sugar Falls, and he went into the service soon afterward. He had 6 weeks of basic training and was sent overseas and put in the front lines. Was wounded and blown out of a foxhole. After getting better, he was sent back on the front lines. A story I want my loved ones to hear and remember is about their grandmother Fiddler, who has her famous recipe for blackberry cobbler and also for banana salad. That was a memory we'll never forget. And for having, so thankful for having grandchildren, great-grandchildren that I'm very proud of, that we are. Their grandfather and I were and our children too, that they were wonderful children in bringing up. My personal philosophy in life is live, love, laugh, and be happy.